10 AI megatrends that will define 2025. Backed by industry leaders, Intro AI in 2025 is no longer about what's coming, it's about what's already here and what's changing fast. From autonomous agents running businesses to multimodal systems that see, hear, and speak like humans, the AI revolution is unfolding at a pace even the most seasoned experts didn't expect. In this video, we're diving into the 10 most important AI trends of 2025, based on real insights from tech executives, industry researchers, and insiders leading this transformation. These aren't just theories. They're actively reshaping jobs, education, creativity, and even how we interact with reality. Let's break down the top trends you need to know. AI agents are getting autonomous, and they're already doing real work. Forget chatbots. The real wave in 2025 is autonomous AI agents. Tools that don't just respond, but initiate tasks, make decisions, and work across apps without being micromanaged. Think of them as virtual employees. They can book meetings, write reports, manage spreadsheets, generate marketing copy, monitor analytics, and even handle customer support. Tools like AutoGPT, OpenAgents, Devin, and Cognosis are giving users agent-like superpowers. What's wild? Some are starting entire businesses on their own. AI founders are using agents to launch websites, run e-commerce operations, and even test product market fit without human involvement after setup. As APIs improve and LLMs learn to work across tools like Notion, Slack, Excel, and Zapier, we're moving closer to true autonomous workflows. Multimodal AI, seeing, hearing, reading all at once. 2025 marks the tipping point for multimodal AI, models that can understand and generate text, images, audio, and video in one unified system. With GPT-4o, Gemini 1.5, and Claude 3, we're seeing AI models that can see what's on your screen, listen to your tone, watch a video, or read a diagram, and then respond with contextual intelligence. This unlocks entire new possibilities. An AI tutor can read a student's handwritten notes and correct them on the spot. An agent can watch your code demo and fix bugs in real time. A virtual assistant can generate slides from PDFs, emails, and voice memos. It's not just about multitasking, it's about human-level perception at machine scale. Open source AI is competing with tech giants. Just 2 years ago, the best AI models were all closed source and corporate. Now in 2025, open source models like Mistral, Llama 3, and Mixtral are catching up, and in some use cases, surpassing them. This is leading to a democratization of AI development. Startups, researchers, and hobbyists can now fine-tune powerful LLMs locally, sometimes with nothing more than a consumer-grade GPU. The result? Faster innovation, community-led development, and more transparent, accountable AI systems. Big companies are still leading with compute, but the creativity in open source is unmatched, and it's accelerating at a pace that's forcing even Google and OpenAI to open their ecosystems. AI is becoming emotionally intelligent. AI in 2025 is not just smarter, it's more emotionally aware. Voice assistants can now detect tone, stress, and intention in your speech. Tools like Sana, Hume, and Pi.ai are focused on empathic interfaces, AI that can respond with human-like emotion and conversational nuance. In therapy apps, AI is being used to help users feel heard and validated. In education, emotionally responsive tutors adapt to frustration or excitement. Even call centers are using emotion-aware AI to de-escalate angry customers. This isn't just a UX upgrade, it's a shift toward AI as a social presence, something that can feel human, even when we know it's not. Generative video and 3D worlds are coming fast. Text-to-video AI isn't just a dream anymore, it's becoming production-ready. Tools like Sora by OpenAI, Runway Gen 3, and Pika Labs now allow users to generate full cinematic scenes, camera movement, and realistic characters just from text prompts. Game developers are using AI to build 3D environments and assets in minutes. Virtual influencers and content creators are generating entire shorts, music videos, and storyboards without touching a camera. This changes Hollywood, advertising, game design, and education. It lowers the barrier to creation so drastically that anyone with a story can become a filmmaker overnight. And it's just the beginning. Sixth, AI memory, tools that remember you forever. In 2025, AI tools are no longer starting from zero every time you open a new chat. Thanks to long-term memory systems and tools like ChatGPT with memory, Claude.ai, and Rewind.ai, AIs are starting to remember your preferences, your goals, and your past interactions. You can ask your AI assistant to continue a conversation from last week or help you improve writing across months of drafts. or suggest career moves based on your past interests and success patterns. This makes AI feel less like a tool and more like a partner, one that gets smarter the more you use it. But it also raises new privacy and control questions. Who owns your memory? Who gets to delete it? AI is now embedded in productivity tools. AI isn't just a product anymore, it's a layer inside everything you use. In 2025, almost every major productivity platform, from Microsoft Office to Notion, Canva, Slack, and Google Workspace, has integrated AI features that are context-aware, always on, and learning from your work. We're seeing smart slides that auto-generate based on bullet points, live summarization of Zoom calls and meetings, automated email replies that match your tone and past behavior, Excel formulas written in natural language. The future of productivity isn't typing. It's telling AI what outcome you want and having it build toward that. This is transforming jobs, not by replacing them, but by automating the boring 70% and letting humans focus on what matters. AI-powered hardware is everywhere. The next wave of AI isn't just software. It's in the chips, sensors, and gadgets around us. In 2025, we're seeing the rise of AI-native hardware. Humane AI Pin and Rabbit R1 are reinventing personal devices. AI cameras and body sensors are predicting health changes. Neural interfaces like Cognix and NextMind are decoding brain signals. Edge AI chips are running advanced models right on phones, glasses, and drones. With no cloud needed, even Apple and Meta are moving fast toward AI-first devices, where AI models run locally, speak naturally, and adapt to users instantly. Your next phone might not have apps. It might just talk to you and know what you want before you do. The rise of digital workers and synthetic employees. AI is no longer a tool for workers. It's becoming the worker itself. Companies in 2025 are hiring AI as sales reps, researchers, recruiters, analysts, and even CEOs of micro startups. These aren't science projects. They're real deployments with KPIs, budgets, and salaries assigned to bots. Startups like Ethan Mollick's AI firm have documented entire departments run by AI agents, overseen by a single human. Tasks that took days now take minutes, and companies are scaling faster with fewer employees. The term digital employee isn't theoretical anymore. It's a hiring model. This brings massive gains, but also ethical and economic questions. What happens to traditional workers? How do you train humans alongside AI? That's the conversation 2025 is forcing now. Regulation and safety are now central to AI development. After years of unregulated growth, 2025 has become the year of AI accountability. Following global pressure and incidents of model misuse, hallucination, and deep fakes, major governments and companies are collaborating on AI safety frameworks. The EU has enacted its AI Act, categorizing risk levels for different models. US regulators are requiring disclosure of AI-generated content in advertising, media, and politics. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are investing in mechanistic interpretability, tools that let us look inside a model's brain. The frontier is shifting from raw capability to controlled capability, from what can AI do to what should it do, and how do we make sure it doesn't go too far? As models become more autonomous, multimodal, and embedded in critical systems, this is the most urgent trend of all. 2025 is the year AI becomes infrastructure. In 2023, AI felt exciting. In 2024, it became essential. But in 2025, AI is now invisible infrastructure, powering everything, everywhere, all at once. These 10 megatrends show us where things are going, toward greater autonomy, creativity, personalization, and disruption. And they're not 10 years away. They're already here. Which of these AI trends shocked you the most? Are you ready to work with or compete against autonomous agents and synthetic employees? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more deep dives like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon, because the future isn't slowing down, and we're just getting started.